What's going on, guys? Welcome back to the channel. The 3rd of September, we're going to take a look at Aerodrome Finance slash the United States dollar here. So this will be from Coinbase. The price data is from Coinbase. We'll be looking at a daily chart. I don't think we'll go into a different time frame, but we might. But more than likely, just stick on the daily, which is what you're seeing at the moment here on the screen. So we got some red markets across the screen here to kick off the September month for the stock market anyways. Crypto, of course, continues to trade. We have Bitcoin down 1,300, which is 2.2%, and Aerodrome down 3.69, or looks like 2 cents. Well, we have made it down to, so it's been a little while since we covered some videos here. We have been writing in the community tab on the channel on the homepage. Click community, and there's some stuff there for the members as well as non-members. But anyways, we've been talking about a couple price levels which are basically at the market now. They were below the market. So if we take a step back real quick, we had support. We had two new levels of support: 61.10, 6110. That's this blue dotted line right here. And then we have a 55.52. 55.52. That's this secondary blue dotted line. Well, we held support here for 3 days. Those dates are 27th, 8th, and 9th of August. Then we broke below on the 30th of August. We hung out for, it looks like, 2 days at the 58,756. And then we continued to move lower down to level number 2, which we said prepare. It's possible the price is heading down to there. And that again is 55.52. And right where we're sitting at right now, the 1st, the 2nd, and then today is the 3rd of September, we are right at that level. So we'll see if it holds. It's got to look like it's not going to hold for much longer. So we held for 3 days at the 61.10. And maybe we'll just be a similar here. You can see, I mean, we are finding support, but depends on how these markets continue. So if we don't hold at 55.52, where are we going? You know, we could be heading down into this range. I don't have any support levels in this range besides the 35. So I'll have to run some calculations in the next video to get us some lower price support levels if the markets do something like this. So we're hanging out here. If the markets do break lower, question is, where down here will Aerodrome most likely find support? That's the question. So today we're just going to keep an eye on the 55.52 level. And speaking of switching up the time frames, here is the 3 minutes. So this is the time frame I use to trade in and out of the futures. If I'm trading a futures chart, I'll use the 3-minute time frame with my price levels. And then, so here it is on the Aerodrome Finance. Here's 55.52. You can see we're chopping around right at that level. You know, markets are currently below it. You know, we'll see. To me, it looks like just a stopping point in a much further move to the downside, unfortunately. So I'll have to run some calculations to get you guys, again, some lower price support. But that is pretty much it. We're obviously pretty far below the upper trend line here, the overhead resistance line. You can see we reversed off of it back here on the 26th of August. Again, a couple times back here, July 18th, 19th, 26th, 29th, you know, price is getting pushed below this overhead resistance line, and we're obviously well below it. We can just continue to drag this out like this, and you can see we're obviously well below it right here. So we'll see. Again, 55.52. We'll see if it holds. To me, it doesn't look like it's going to hold for much longer. It looks like we're going to get some kind of a break below it, and then whether we close above it or get back above it, you know, quickly, you know, time will tell. But that's how these levels work. They can act as levels of support, like we saw over here, on the 7th, 8th, and 9th of August, 27th, 8th, and 9th. And then they can, they become obsolete pretty quick. So again, they act as support or resistance for a period of time. That period of time can be a day. It can be a couple hours, a couple minutes. It can mark a major top or major bottom like we saw over here on the 18th, where markets got up to 104, almost 106.42. And that was the top, and so far those levels mark the top as resistance. So stay tuned, guys. If you're not yet subscribed, join us here on the channel. We'll back with some more lower support if these markets do continue south, continue lower. We have Bitcoin. This is the BTC USD chart daily. Coinbase price data reversing off the 58,910.50 level. We are reversing off of that level and, getting a lower price today. So far, we have a new daily high. We don't have a new daily low. We'll see if that would be a bearish engulfing candle if that takes place. But we have quite a bit to the downside before that came into play. If prices do continue lower today, much lower, that would be 55,577 support down here. We'll see, though. That's way, way down there. Guys, have a great day. Thanks for watching. Aerodrome down just about 4%. We're just holding on to 55.52. Will it hold or will it break? And will prices, 1, find support and move higher, 2, break current support and head lower? Let me know down in the comments. Go ahead and join us here on the channel. Of course, not financial advice. Share the video with your current Aerodrome Finance holders. Have a great day.